We choose the approach of teaming up and building. We choose the approach of bringing together the large companies, the startups, the investors, the thinkers, the academics, the product builders. We realize that that's how you build what's next. We believe that we're entering the era of super builders.
The 2023 Buildi Awards.
Hey everyone, Raphael here, founder and CEO of A.Team, to ring in the new year, because what a year 2023 has been. I mean, we thought by now that we knew everything there is to know about global disruption. I mean, for us, it was 2 weeks after we raised our seed round that a global pandemic happened. And then the subsequent waves of transformation in the job market and the way companies function were quite incredible. But it turned out that there was much more in store for all of us. I mean, 2023 was really crazy, from a bank run to war in multiple regions that are affecting so many of our team members, family members, friends, colleagues, and companies we work with. And if that was not enough, the market also has been at an unprecedented level of volatility. And technology hasn't skipped a beat. In fact, it just accelerated, as exemplified with generative AI that we find ourselves in the middle of with hundreds of companies that we work with. We realize that technology is now moving at the speed that we always thought would happen but never quite could be ready for, pushing every company on the planet, essentially, to go back to being early stage. Amidst unbelievable disruptions, we are required to think through new company building models, new work models, and this year, more than anything, we have witnessed what happens when thousands of builders, executives, leaders of transformation and change and growth at companies and independent come together and team up to build what's next. For some of the examples that we're particularly excited about, I give you the Buildi Awards.
The Startup of the Year award goes to Inflection AI for creating the chatbot Pi, disrupting its industry, and raising $1.3 billion. The Best User Experience award goes to DID for developing a mobile app that uses AI to animate still images and create lifelike videos, many of which went viral this year. The Digital Transformation Award goes to Versity by Endeavor for pioneering the future of e-learning by building a masterclass for employee development with celebrity talent and Ivy League professors. The App Store Star Award goes to Sharpen for reinventing studying for the social media age with the TikTok for Textbooks, a feed of bite-sized videos, swipeable study tools, and gamified quizzes. The Team of the Year award goes to Anya R., William C., Brandon S., Jimson J., and Nick K. for leveraging generative AI to supercharge nurse productivity and reimagine how clinical reporting is done throughout its network of hospitals for a Fortune 500 health system. The Innovator of the Year award goes to Andrew Hunsaker for helping build a game-changing computer vision tool for inventory management at a Fortune 10 company. And the Builder of the Year award goes to Dean DeJour for leading groundbreaking projects and exemplifying the spirit of innovation and collaboration in building. Congratulations to all the winners of the 2023 Buildi Awards.
To all of our leaders of data science, of engineering, of product, of marketing, of operation, the founders, the investors, and the firms that we have a chance to work with, thank you for teaming up with us and for shaping the future of work that we all want to be a part of. In a world that is moving so fast, we're here to team up, build, and thrive together. Thank you.